Hello, friends. We've received a lot of questions from traders in the EU regarding the migration of Bybit's services to a new platform. In response, Traders Union reached out directly to Bybit representatives to get official clarifications. We asked the key questions that concerns everyone.
Hello, everyone. My name is Katya, and I am a representative of the Bybit exchange in the CIS region. Today, I would like to answer all your questions related to the launch of the new Bybit.EU website and Bybit obtaining the MiCA license. This is quite a significant change for many users, so I would like to answer all your questions in this video, and I hope you won't have any more questions after this, at least for the next couple of months. So, starting from the 1st of July, we launched a new Bybit.EU website. That means if you are a resident of the European Union and hold an EU resident passport, you can already register an account and use all the products on Bybit.EU. Moving on. If you are still using Bybit.com, which is the global website, as of now, today is the 4th of July, when I'm recording this, you can still use Bybit Global, open trades, perform transactions, and deposit or withdraw funds. But in a couple of months, we don't have exact dates yet. We will begin the process of offboarding European users from Bybit.com. You need to keep this in mind. We will be sending out important emails regarding this situation to everyone involved, so please make sure you do not miss those crucial emails. If you currently have open derivative or spot positions, they will initially be limited to closing only, meaning you can only reduce your exposure, and subsequently they will be forcibly closed by us. You will indeed receive multiple emails about this significant development, but if for any reason you happen to miss the email, please remember this is an extremely important announcement. In approximately 2 months from now, we will commence the process of closing these positions. So what does this mean for you? If you are a resident of the European Union, you can already switch to the new website now to avoid risking your funds. What products are currently available on Bybit.EU? At the moment, unfortunately, we only offer spot and margin trading as well as earn products. And the bonus center, derivative contracts are currently unavailable. We want to obtain a license. We are in the process, specifically for derivative products, but at the moment we do not have it yet. We hope to get it soon so that Bybit.EU will offer the same products as Bybit.com. If you only trade spot, this should not be a problem for you. You should close all your current trading positions, then switch over to Bybit.EU and simply proceed to buy all your spot coins there. How exactly can you switch to the new and improved site? If you are watching this video as a Value Traders Union partner, they already have a direct and convenient link to the official Bybit.EU website readily available for you to access. You go there, ideally using the same email, so it's easier for us to recognize you as an existing user. Look, there's a very important point here. You go there and register an account on Bybit.EU. Next, you need to complete KYC. If you are a resident of the European Union, you must upload your documents, and this is very important. It's a new requirement. You will need to make a fiat deposit from your bank account to your Bybit.EU account. It's a bit inconvenient, but it's done so that we can confirm that you are indeed a resident of the European Union. This is important, and unfortunately, it's a regulatory requirement. So whereas usually you just complete KYC once and can use your account, here you need to do KYC once and also make a deposit from your bank account. It can be a minimal amount on euro, 5 euros, whatever you prefer. But this needs to be done so that we can verify that you really do have a bank account in the European Union. Next, I'd also like to once again define what qualified users are under the MiCA license. The MiCA license applies only to residents of the European Union. What does this mean? If you live in the European Union, then you are considered a resident. If, for example, you have a Spanish passport but live in Australia, you can continue using the global website. Also, if you hold a Russian passport and are located in the European Union, and if you are not using any fiat deposit or withdrawal services, then you can generally use Bybit.com. However, if you are looking to fully utilize the comprehensive range of our available products, and you currently reside within the European Union, then it is clear that this specific license naturally and inherently applies directly to you. So if you are a passport holder, or if you live in the European Union and are trying to use all of our products, then this license applies to you. Next, will you be able to use the current Bybit mobile app? Unfortunately, no. That is if you register an account on Bybit. A new app is already available for you, which currently only offers limited products, spot and margin spot trade. But this is a separate Bybit. App, you need to install it and you can already use all the spot products available there. As I mentioned earlier, derivatives are not available yet, but they will be available later. We really hope that we will obtain all the necessary permits as soon as possible. Also, if you want to receive additional bonuses, the bonus center is already available there. All sorts of promotions that are available on the global site will also be available there, and all the registration privileges under a partner will be available as well. Of course, for now, this only applies to the products that are currently produced. I think that's all for now. For future updates, we will also be making blog posts and announcements, and you will be able to follow them via email. All users who qualify under the MiCA license will receive emails, so please keep an eye out. Otherwise, Traders Union does a great job of keeping all users updated, so be sure to follow their channels as well. If you have any additional questions, please write to them, and I will try to answer all of them as thoroughly as possible. And as soon as we have new information, we will communicate all of it to our clients. Thank you for your attention, and have a great day.